Hi, Miss Hanilin. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. I am Hanilin Kikoy, 38 years old, living in General Santos City, and I have a living partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two sons, 12 and 17 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Hong Kong?
Uh, my family also.
How many siblings do you have?
I have eight siblings, five sisters, and three brothers.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergraduate, sir.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, I have overseas experience, good for 5 years in Saudi Arabia. My work there is cooking, cleaning, laundry, and take care of elderly.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as friendly, understanding, kindness, and patience.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have any tattoo.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, I have a surgery operation last 2014.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad to earn money and for my children future also.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
The wheel on the bus is round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus is round and round, all to the ground.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
I am not scared of small animals, but I scared of big animals also.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Um, First, I observe the children why they are tantrums or maybe they are irritable. So I keep my voice in a low and let them to play with me also, and I cuddle them. I That's all.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
Hello, my future employer. If ever you hire me as your workers, I promise you to be a good workers, and I promise to clean your house every time, taking care of your children as my children, to be a good be a good workers to you also, and be friendly to you also, madam, and I promise to love your family as my family too. Thank you.